Hey guys, welcome back to another cosplay makeup tutorial. I'm the Lady Friend 1, and today we're going to be doing a different d.va cosmetic makeup look today, specifically, and I'm probably butchering this, her Shin-Ryeong from Halloween. So let's go ahead and just jump right on into it. So to start, I'm using this like purpley pink eyeshadow and I'm covering my entire lid, and I'm also doing a little bit of accenting under my bottom lid as well. Next, I'm taking my Facepaint palette and I'm using both the purple and the pink and just applying a couple of layers to get a similar color to the eyeshadow for my eyebrows. I'll also use it to paint on the pink stripes that are on d.va's face in almost all of her cosmetics. Next up is going to be my eyeliner, so I'm just using my eyeliner pen, and I went for smaller wings, didn't want it to be too dramatic, kind of similar to d.va's makeup. And last up was a pink lipstick, and that's pretty much it for creating this d.va makeup look. If you like seeing this makeup look and want to see it with its cosplays, make sure to check the link in the description and make sure to sub to see who I'm cosplaying next and how I do their makeup as well. Okay, bye-bye!